Okay guys, this is the Jamaican braid pre-stretched hair up close, and what I really love about this hair is that it's super easy to work with and super easy to pull apart with little to no tangling. I really love the T4 2730. I love how well blended this is to create this beautiful highlighted ombre effect. For each lock, I took about 3 strands of the Jamaican braid to wrap the beginning of each lock. I'm going to be doing the thumb method for the butterfly locks, and I'll show you how I do that. So you want to wrap normal like you would do any faux lock, and then you want to take a small piece, leave it out, wrap it around your thumb, and continue to wrap as normal. So wrap, take a small piece out, leave across your thumb, and wrap as normal again. You want to do this several times until you are finished with this piece of hair. So now I'm going to use the T4 27/30 to create the ombre. Grab the hair, mix it with the black hair, mix it in really good, and that's how you create the illusion that everything is blended. Mix it in really well, wrap, take a small piece, leave out over your thumb, wrap, and you want to continue to mix the black hair with the T4 2730 until the black hair is completely gone. And don't worry, if you feel like the little loops that you left out over your thumb aren't pulled out enough, you can just take your hand and pull them out. So you want to do this until you reach the bottom, and once you reach the bottom, we're going to leave out a little bit, maybe like 2 to 3 inches of hair so we can curl that later. But once you reach the bottom, take a piece of hair and tie a slip knot. And you want to make a slip knot maybe 3 or 4 times just to make sure the lock is secure and won't come down. Now that I'm finished, I'm going to take some palm brads and wrap them around the ends of the hair and dip them in hot water. I wanted to go for a super bohemian, curly butterfly look. Last but not least, don't forget to sculpt the baby hairs. I left a few of her curls out to create soft tendrils around her hairline. I really love this hair, you guys. I love how soft it is. I love how easily I can manipulate her hair from side to side without it being too stiff. And I love how this hair doesn't itch or it doesn't scratch your skin, but it's just super, super nice.